As we're talking, Jim, the Fed with an announcement here that they are extending the lending facilities that were scheduled to expire at the end of September to December 31. Not a terrible surprise, I guess. There's a ton of facilities that are applicable here, but it is a sign that we're going to have to make this bridge maybe longer than the Fed initially anticipated. Well, good for them. I mean, when we look at what's going on with Horton, we know that it has been a dramatic positive. The housing industry is 10% of this country, punches above its weight. The Fed is doing its job. If you're in favor of employment, I say that because I think that the country is very split on who, some people actually don't want things to be good because there is an election this year. But Horton's up 3. Against that, I would look at LabCorp. LabCorp being up 4 is not a good sign. It means that they are making a fortune off testing and that the testing is going to continue to be tight. I would like to see LabCorp down because the federal government has decided to get in the testing business itself and not have a laissez-faire attitude with a couple of companies dominating it. And by the way, who gets quick testing? Maybe people from the Mets and Phillies. I mean, quick testing is the province of people who play pro sports and really rich people. And, that is just that's a sham. It's just terrible. How many times are they going to test football players? Like, more? Do you think they wait 10 days? I mean, think they have 10 days?
No.
Unless they have the bye week. No, Jim, the argument, other countries have test and trace, and we have test and wait. That's sort of the argument from a lot of skeptics right now. Steve Leisman's got more on this Fed lending extension. Steve?
Carl, you provided very much the context that I was going to provide, which is here's the Federal Reserve settling in for maybe a little bit more of the long haul with these things. We started off this thing thinking, hey, this was going to be something quick, a V-shaped recovery. Now the Fed and I think others are coming to the realization that the economy is going to need assistance for longer. I'll read you what the Fed wrote in its press release. The 3-month extension will facilitate planning by potential facility participants and provide certainty that the facilities will continue to be available to help the economy recover from the COVID-19 pandemic. So all of these 13-3 facilities, the PDCF, the money market fund, corporate credit, the paycheck protection program that the Fed buys the loans from. 2 of them were already longer, but all of them will now be available through December 31st, and it allows people to think, hey, it'll be around for a while. It's something we can plan on using if needed, Carl.